friends, and welcome back to my channel, Blessed and OCC Obsessed, where it is my goal to encourage and inspire you on how you can pack a full, fun, and personal shoebox. Today I have a shoebox for you for a girl age 5 to 9. I don't think I've shared a whole lot this year for this age group, but this box was a surprise for me. I was out shopping while on vacations several months ago and came across this fabulous stuffy, and I was so excited. I knew it was going in a box this year, and I got it packed the other day, and I've decided to share it with you. So I'm going to try to keep this video short and sweet today. So let's jump right on in and let me show you what I have packed, again, for a girl age 5 to 9, and it is Jessie from Toy Story. So let's open my box and take a look at what goodies we have for this sweet young girl. All right, one of the first things that she will see is her box lid decor that I like to make for my boxes. And I created this lid and wall hanging from Canva. I created it on Canva. I laminated it. I added Velcro dots to the picture and the box and string so it can decorate the lid, and she can hopefully use it to decorate her wall. It has Jessie, Woody, and Buzz Lightyear, and it says, "Be kind and compassionate to one another." I thought this was a fitting scripture for the Toy Story series. It's probably my favorite series of all of the Disney movies. It's just a lot of fun. So let me move it on back and show you what we have for her. She's kind of stuffed in here, so let's just start from the top. And I like to include a bounce ball in all my boxes. So here's her ball. Her stuffy is this cute tie beanie baby to represent the horse, obviously. And Bullseye's the name of their horse, but this one, I'm not sure. It's got the tag protector on it still. This pony's name is Derby. And then I have a little organza bag that has some hair ties and some hair clips. And then I tucked into this one her cross necklace that I like to put in all my shoe boxes. And here she is. Look at this precious Jessie doll. I just couldn't pass her by. Got her for a really good deal at a one of those antique malls where people like to sell their collectibles. And I was fortunate enough to find her. I included this soft peach hair scrunchie. And then, see, I'll move her over here, make it a little easier. Let's pull the back out. I've got an orange notebook for part of her school supplies and a Toy Story coloring book. I found this fun Toy Story make your own forky at Dollar General when they, I think it was last month when I was lucky enough to find this on the buy one, get one 75% off. And inside the container, so I could keep it together, I have filled it full with her eraser. I've got several pencils, red pen, black pen, fun pencil, highlighter. Her basic school supplies basically are in this container. Here's a mechanical pencil and a blue pen. A 6-inch ruler. It's centimeters and inches. A toothbrush. Got another fun colored pencil in here as well. A colorful pencil is just pink with flowers. And that's it for the extras. The rest of it is the contents that makes Forky, and I just wanted to make sure and leave them in here so none of the pieces are lost. I also was fortunate enough at one of the sales able to get a Mrs. Potato Head, and I've got her also stuffed full of goodies to get as much as I could in this box. So in her back side is her pieces that make Mrs. Potato Head. All of her pieces fit in here. And then I just added also a little ring. It's a little purse that came with Mrs. Potato Head. Her lips. Sorry if I'm going off camera. Let me see if I can adjust it a little bit. Don't want to lose anything. I've got a 2-hole pencil sharpener. And then the other non-Mrs. Potato Head item is this really large googly eye. I included a harmonica for her musical instrument. I've got a fidget spinner. I'll put some of these things over here. I like to include cars in all my boxes, and she's getting a really cute pink tractor, and then a red little coupe car. This is her hairbrush and compact, and I added a sticker that says, "I am a child of God." Her glue stick. This is the little container that has the extra Velcro dots and a thumbtack for her wall decor. Her school scissors. Crayons for school. And to color in her coloring book. A Let's Make a Match Toy Story matching game. This is her actual pencil pouch. Putting all of her stuff inside the little Toy Story Forky craft allowed me to keep this flat and made it easier to pack. And I included a scripture card that I create. I share this along with several others on my Facebook group, OCC Shoebox Packers, along with the printables of any of the box lids that I've made. If you haven't checked us out, come check us out, and you can print these off for free. And then I included a whole bunch of just skateboard stickers. There's a couple of Toy Story ones, some candy ones, just miscellaneous, and there's some Girly Stay Groovy, Peace, Love, and Hope. Just a bunch of fun stickers that I think a young girl would enjoy. And for her shirt, I just included this really pretty shirt that has a horse on it, since Jessie is a cowgirl, and there is a horse in the movie, of course. A horse, of course. And then I created with my sublimation printer this really cute book bag. I designed the Jessie and Horseshoe, and then using my sublimation printer, I printed it off, and it's a heat type transfer craft. And so this is her book bag. And on the bottom, I've got a soft yellow washcloth. And then my personal note that I include in all of my shoe boxes. I encourage you to include this personal note. The children love them. It lets them know that they are unconditionally loved, not only by Jesus, but by you, the person who packed the shoebox. And if you include a picture of you or your family, that's even better. Samaritan's Purse team has reiterated many times that this a lot of times is the favorite of the boxes that these children get. I hope that you were encouraged and inspired. You got some ideas from my unboxing today. If you haven't checked out my Facebook page, I encourage you to do so. Like and subscribe, and come back and check out my next video. Happy packing!